Okay. Ken, grabe, ang ganda ng first teaser.
Thank you po. Thank you
This
so much.
level. Actually, we didn't know what we were in for until napanood namin doon sa Jumbotron. Ibang klase, parang, ang dami nyo na palang na-film, na show.
Medyo.
Mukha lang.
Mukha lang. Medyo nag-aabol pa po kami. Yeah, definitely.
No, but this is in for, a big release,
Yes,
right?
definitely.
And
Yeah.
yung mga, what are your thoughts na finally nakikita nyo na it's coming to pieces na panood na nung fans sa panood na namin?
Well, mas nakakakaba for me. Mas,
Siyempre.
kasi nagiging totoo na talaga siya eh. Last year pa kasi namin ito napag-usapan. So ngayon na nakikita ko na siya sa big screen at marami na nakakita, medyo nararamdaman ko na yung pressure. Pero,
Exactly. And syempre nakaka-pressure. It's been a while since I've been on TV. And of course to be back on prime time, going head-to-head with other shows. I'm just happy. I'm really confident with our concept and our show and our cast and our team. And we're just having fun sa set. And I hope na nakikita din ng mga tao na nanonood. So
sobrang
that's all we
pagod
want.
na ni Ken, wala na siyang boses.
Oo nga eh. So,
Producer din kasi.
Oo.
Iba, how is it for you, honestly? And the concept is so fresh. And yeah, the team is cool.
Yeah, super. I just want to have fun and make people, I want to release. Siyempre, pagod ang tao sa trabaho, sa traffic. I just want pag-uwi nila is they just feel good, Medyo ito yung release na ibibigay po namin sa ating mga manonood. So I'm
Yeah.
just really happy. Hope they enjoy it. And actually 3 years in the making na po to.
Talaga.
Or more than 3 years.
And honestly, the cast, nagulat ako, Edu, we didn't know Edu, but there
Yes,
are others
at
coming
marami
in.
pa pong pasabog na papasok po sa story namin. New characters na, syempre, basta marami po yun. Super, super excited na ako. Marami pa pong sorpresa ang show namin.
Reaction lang sa pang Super Bowl performance si Andreas. May palifting,
My
may palifting,
God. No, it was actually really crazy. She was really good. Really, really good.
Andreas,
Grabe.
Grabe yun. Like, we were
Grabe
like,
talaga
wow,
yun.
girl,
Talaga
commitment
ba?
level.
Kwento mo naman na kahit sa aeroplano, pinapractice ko.
Actually,
Dali naman.
Pupunta kami ng Cebu. So nakikita ko siya. Kasi maganda pa kami doon. Ito doon sa Cebu niya nagpa-practice siya. Siyempre kasi super busy din siya. So you can really see the dedication and the passion for her. But kahit napaka-busy, kita mo na, she comes here and she just kills it.
Yeah.
It's just, wala lang. Ganun lang talaga
We
siya.
were starting this project. You were still doing Manila's Finest back then, saying na parang dati nakikita-kita mo lang si Andrea, ngayon magkatrabaho na kayo. How's the camaraderie so far?
Really great. I think every day as we work together, I think I get to know her more and more. And I'm just really happy where we are right now, and I can't wait to hopefully spend more time with her and do more projects together.
Gano'n ka
Definitely.
komportable kay Ken?
Mabait siya. Masasabi ko yun, totoo po. Like, magaan siya katrabaho kasi na-appreciate ko kung paano siya sa mga staff, sa crew, as in sobrang polite na sa lahat. So, ayun, nagiging bonding na nga namin mag-video games ako, tsaka yung ko, hairstylist ko, as in, parang mas madami kami nagiging bonding pag mas madami kaming taping. Bait siya.
Yeah.
Okay ba yun? Joke
Yeah.
naman, super
And
okay.
how's Andrea as your co-star?
Same. She's really great. She's really great. Couldn't ask for a better leading lady and partner sa project. So I'm really, really thankful for her and for everything that she gives.
Kaya tuloy-tuloy pa pag-produce mo.
Of course. Hopefully po
May naka-line up pa.
marami pa pong naka-line up. Hopefully
Series or movie?
may series, may mga pelikula din po. Kahit not necessarily nakasama po ako, but for other stars and other projects for the network. And yun, marami po kami
So you're more the producer more than an actor or paano?
Eventually po, hindi naman forever ako sa harap ng camera. So, eventually may maiwan pa ako. Matulungan din po iba. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Sorry, wala akong
Thank you. Go lang.
Kasi go, sige.
Yeah. May mga picture.